Welcome to Mining Hub Activity Insights. My name is Bill Stormont, and each week we're going to be highlighting key news and market activities, providing you with valuable insights and the latest developments in the mining sector, including drill results, M&A, meaningful management changes, and financings. So please stay tuned for a focused overview of what's currently catching attention this week. Just for reference, at time of recording, gold's trading up around 0.5% at $2,521. And we're going to kick off with some drilling results. First of all, this week, Snowline Gold, they announced additional analytical results from its 2024 Valley Deposit drilling campaign on the Rogue project. Highlight intervals from Valley included 435 meters at 1.61 grams per ton gold, which included 150 meters at 2.39 grams per ton gold, with 20 meters at 7.62 grams per ton gold. They also released the first results from their Jupiter target at Einerson, which returned 6.88 grams per ton gold over 6.3 meters, including 13.9 grams per ton gold over 2 meters downhole, along with other mineralized intersections in 170 meter step back from previous drilling. Snowline trades on the venture as SGD and on the OTCQB under SNWGF. Mako Mining reported additional exploration results from their 2024 reverse circulation drill program in the Las Conchitas area, immediately south of the company's San Albino gold mine in Nicaragua. Drilling highlights included 82.55 grams per ton gold and 76.9 grams per ton silver over 2 meters at the intermediate vein located within the Las Conchitas North area. West Red Lake Gold Mines reported drill results from their Marsden mine in northwestern Ontario, Canada. West Red Lake intercepted 17.77 grams per ton gold over 5.5 meters at the McVeigh zone and 7.35 grams per ton gold over 12.12 meters at the Austin zone. The company reports that the purpose of their drilling was definition within the priority areas of Austin and McVeigh to continue really building an inventory of high confidence ounces to support the restart of production at the Marsden mine, which is expected to commence in the second half of 2025. West Red Lake Gold trades on the TSXV as WRLG and on the OTCQB as WRLGF. Vizsla Silver also shared results this week from 22 new drill holes targeting the Cosa Resources area in their 100% owned flagship Panuco silver gold project in Mexico. Results included 6,270 grams per ton silver equivalent over 6.25 meters true width, which also included 10,634 grams per ton gold silver equivalent over 3.22 meters. Vizsla trades on the venture as VZLA and on the NYSE as VZLA. Benton Resources announced results from their Phase 3 drill program at the Great Burnt project in Newfoundland, reporting 1.23% copper over 22.8 meters, including 1.72% copper over 12.3 meters. You can really find out more drill results on our website. If you go to app.mininghub.com, you'll see all of the weekly drilling intercepts from the North American exchanges and also from the Australian Stock Exchange. When you get to that website, when you get to our website, be sure to sign up and sign on to the daily email where you will get that comprehensive overview delivered right to your inbox. We've also seen a number of mergers and acquisitions this week. The Sanjin, which was formerly known as Yintai Gold, completed their takeover of Osino Resources and their flagship Twin Hill Gold project in Namibia. The acquisition of Trident Royalties by Deterra Global Holdings has been approved and looks to close on September 2nd, 2024. In terms of project acquisitions, Teako has acquired a 90% interest in the Loken project in Norway from Capella Minerals. Since the beginning of this year, Teako has acquired over 3,800 square kilometers of land in Norway. Their flagships are the Lokenvenna and Vadas projects, where they're looking for high-grade copper, cobalt, and zinc-rich VMS deposits. So Sven and the boys have been busy there. Miata Metals, earlier this month, entered into a definitive agreement to acquire 79 North Incorporated, which wholly owns the Nassau and 70% interest in the Sella Creek project. This week, however, Miata signed an earn-in agreement to acquire 100% of the Sella Creek gold project. If you look at mines in the area, just to get a sense of some regional context, to the north of Miata, we've got Zinjan's operating Saramacca and Rosabelle gold mines. And we also see Newmont's Marion mine. Founders Metals, Osino is also next door. They recently released drill results, which included 38 meters of 10.9 grams per ton gold, which is over 400 grams per meter. So if you're using our platform, you're able to see these proximity plays and understand the regional context of any project that you might be looking at. Financings have also been active, although August, a quieter time of year. We have seen a few. Group 11 announced the early exercise of warrants by Michael Gentile for the expanded drill program as their Ballywire zinc, lead, silver discovery on the PG West project in Ireland. O3 Mining also closed an upsized bought deal public offering of $21 million, including the full exercise of an over-allotment option. Proceeds are going to be directed towards their Quebec assets, where they've been focused on advancing their Marban Alliance project. And lastly, we'll just touch on a few more names before we call it a wrap for the week. Cosa Resources traded higher on news of drill crews mobilizing to their Ursa uranium project, where a 4,000-meter drill program is planned, and results from the recent ambient noise tomography surveys are expected in early September to help with additional drill targeting there. Red Pine Exploration shares also benefited from the release of their updated mineral resource at their Wawa Gold project, with an indicated mineral resource of 14.7 million tons, grading 1.8 grams per ton gold, containing 842,000 ounces of gold, and an inferred mineral resource of 16.2 million tons, grading 1.6 gram per ton gold, containing 843 ounces of gold, inclusive of both open pit and underground. So in closing, I'd just like to say, if you're joining us here today, please be aware you can also access and view all of this information at app.mininghub.com. That's app.mininghub.com, and create your free user login there. That'll give you access to our sector's comprehensive resource for industry updates and transparency. Excuse me. We're also going to be launching an enhanced version known as Mining Hub Pro, which will give you additional features. So stay tuned for further updates on that. And last but not least, please be aware that none of the preceding information is intended as investment advice. Any investment decisions taken by listeners are entirely at their own discretion and not the responsibility of Mining Hub based on anything we've discussed here. Please do your own research. Thanks very much for listening, and we look forward to seeing you next week. Bye-bye.